Once you have your 4 layers cut out for the Valentine's design, the bottom layer, which is the pink, dark pink layer, you flatten out so it's flat, and you always want to make sure that the gray lines are on towards the table. So you put that there. The other so the white layer, you're going to want to make sure the gray lines are down, and you're going to pinch all of the arrows down. So that layer is then ready to be for assembling. Also, the pink layer, you're going to pinch all of those arrows down, and you can bring the other pieces forward. Also, the petals of the flower that's in the center, you can just kind of slightly bend up. Okay, and the small green layer here, again, you're going to do exactly like the bottom layer, and you're just going to make it flat. So the first 2 that we're going to put together will be the green layer into the pink layer, the small pink layer. So I'm going to turn the pink layer so the gray lines are up. I'm going to make sure that my green layer has the gray lines up, and I'm just going to tuck the green leaves behind the pink petals, making sure, just kind of tucking those in and going around as I do it and pushing those through there. So I'm going to do that, just kind of tucking them in, and then once you have all 6 of them in, you can turn around and you can see how they just kind of tuck up behind. So now we're ready for the 3rd layer, which is, or the white layer, and you're going to take the pink arrows and you're going to insert them into the white holes, the holes in the white design. So you put them in, making sure that the gray lines are down, and you're just going to go around and tuck in and pull the arrow through just the tip of the arrow, and then you're going to open that up. And you just do that for all 6. Just put an arrow in and pull that through, and then open up the arrow slightly so it doesn't pull through, and then pull up on there. So you just keep going around. 2 more left, so I'm going to pinch it, put it through the hole, slightly pull it through, open up the arrow a little bit, and turn over, and we have 1 left. So in, pinch it, pull it through, turn it over, and kind of pull it through, and then open up. And I'm going to pull up the little fleur-de-lis and heart up. Alright, so then that layer is complete, and now I will do the same thing with the white arrows into the holes in the pink, the large pink, dark pink. So just into the hole, and then just go around doing the same thing that we just did with the pink into the white. So we're just putting the white arrows into those holes, going around and making sure, just putting that tip through, and then when I'm doing, I open it up slightly on the back, and we just have 2 more left. Oh, this one wanted to come out, so I'll pull them back in. There we go. And that is the assembly of the 2018 Valentine's 3D design. Let me finish up there, putting up that, so when I open it up, I'm going to turn that over, pull that through, there we go. And there, opening up, turning over and making sure that the arrows are open. so they don't come through there. And then just kind of pull up these, and you can get a bling to put in the middle of it.